Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to solve an interesting math problem that involves exponent and radicals. So here is given us the question, that is third root of 25 whole to the power 4 is equal to 5 to the power x. Now we have to find out the value of x in this equation. So let's start. Now first of all, let's simplify the left hand side of the equation. So here what we can write instead of third root of 25 whole to the power 4. So now we have to know the property of exponent and base, that is nth root of a whole to the power m each equal to a to the power m divided by n, right? Now if we compare the left hand side of the equation with this property, then we get n equal to 3, a equal to 25 and m equal to 4. So here we can write 25 to the power 4 divided 3, right, is equal to 5 to the power x. Now simplify that. So we can write 25 as a 5 square whole to the power 4 by 3 is equal to 5 to the power x. Now we know the another formula, that is a to the power m whole to the power n is a to the power m times n, right? So we can write here 5 to the power 2 times 4 divided 3 is equal to 5 to the power x, right? Now simplify this. 5 to the power 8 divided by 3 is equal to 5 to the power x, right? Now here both of base are equal, so we know the another property, that is if a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, that will be m equal to n, right? So from these properties we can write x equal to 8 by 3. So the value of x in the equation is 8 by 3. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any question or suggestion for future video, please let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math related content. Thanks for watching.